Yeah, so I need to actually record a tutorial for my business cards that I just did, but I also want to show some of you guys how to do a QR code in Canva if you so decide to make your own business cards. Now, I dabble in graphic design. I've been doing it for years, but I always felt like I don't like graphic design because sometimes as a graphic designer, people they're really picky and I don't have time to like do a design and redo a design and redo a design and redo a design. So I was like, I don't like that. So as people are making income on templates now, why not create a template, sell the template so that people can do their own thing? Now, if somebody wants me to decorate and make something for them, then I have no problem doing that. I 1000% can, but I figured why not show you guys how to do it
All
yourself. And
right,
I'm
so
showing I've already designed what I like. Okay. So I designed this. Let me share my screen. I designed the Instagram business cards. Okay. So business cards are not that great anymore, I'm gonna be honest with you, because most times with business cards, people take them and they throw them away and they don't, they don't always keep them. However, if they are interesting business cards, then people will more than likely keep them. So I started designing these Instagram business cards. It has my name, um, has my IG tag, my face, my name, what I do. It has my that I'm a host of Mean Girl Marketing Podcast. Schedule your consult today. And then also it says scan the QR on the back of this card. Okay, so this is the front of the card. This will be the back of the card. On the back of the card is the actual information. All right, so you have the IG tag, the phone number, my Facebook handle, and the QR code. Now, if you were to click on this Q or open it up, take a picture of the QR code, it is actually going to my website or my booking link. So this allows you to do two options. Okay, with these two options, you can either pass your business card out, you can print them out, pass them out to your friends, throw them in the windows like people used to do, or you can give somebody the business cards and they can share them. Okay, so you don't necessarily have to print out 20 or 30 of them. You could say, hey, take a picture of my business card. Here's all my information. Now, if you have a link tree or a pin site or a links.co or anything like that, you can even pop that bad boy in there because it can be distributed and people can see a lot of your stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I have the template. All right. I'm going to show you how to edit this business card. All right. For those that want to download, this is going to be their tutorial video, but I'm also going to show you guys, I'm not going to show you how to create this card. If you want this card, it's $10 for the template. If you want me to do it for you, it's $30. I'll just get your information and then do it for you. But here is how you edit it. Okay. So when you download this product, you are going to get a flyer like this. It's going to say, click here for your template link and then click here for your video tutorial. All right. For those that are in the tutorial already, the video will probably start here. All right. So when you go into Canva, and this is completely with Canva, you should have Pro. If you don't have Pro, it still should not be a problem for you to just edit these and use these. All right. Just certain things you can use, certain things you cannot use. All you do is select edit template. And then when you go into edit template, you simply can change your name. You can click on here and type what you want in here for your name. The font is over here to the left. You can pick whatever fonts you want. You can pick the size. You can pick the colors. If you want it italicized or not. If you want it underlined. If you want to strike through. However you want to design these things. If you want a word effect, you can put that there as well. Now, for me, I'm a Barbie girl. Okay. I like to call myself a Black Barbie. So my Barbie icons are here, but you also can switch out the icons. Any icons that are up here, you can switch out. All you have to do is go over to elements and select what you want. Like if you want, let's say, horses or unicorns, because I like unicorns as well. Just type in unicorns and then you can get the unicorn, click on graphic, you can get a unicorn graphic and you can take this and you can put it in the follower area if you would like. Actually, that's kind of cute, you guys. I should have did that. But anyway, if you want to do that, you can as well. Here, you can once again edit your name, put your bio. You can put your regular IG bio in here or whatever bio you want. The icons can also be switched out. So the icons that you have here, I, symbolize what I do. So I have podcasts, I give tips, I, build community, I teach, talk, and, I train. And also I'm an Instagram Reels expert. These photos can also be changed out. All you have to do is upload. So go over here to the left, select on upload. And once you select on upload, you then can take whatever picture you want and slide it into the photo. Just hover over it and it'll go right in there. And then here you could change out these pictures as well if you would like. Okay, so all you have to do is go over here and hover and it'll change the picture, as you can see. All right, so here is the fun part, the QR code. All right, so I'm going to delete this QR code. So when you get your template, delete this QR code. All right. On the left-hand side, you want to go to apps. Okay. Click on apps. And then if you have used it before, it may be down here already. If not, see, mine is down here. It says popular QR code. If not, you can click into Canva and just type in QR code and it will pop up. So once you click on, and this is the first one is the one that I use. I haven't used any of the other ones. Once you select QR code, enter the URL of what is going to open up when somebody takes a picture of your QR code. Okay. So for me, it is www.socialwithrocky.app. And I'm going to generate the code. Once it generates the code, this is what it looks like, a regular plain black code. Now, if you want to be super creative like me, I'm creative. Over here, when you put in your URL, there's a selection for customize, okay? Select customize. You can do the background color. You can do the foreground color. Now, the background color, if you so choose, the background color will make it look like this so that the color is behind all of the print and the squiggly lines and everything. If you want to make it the foreground color, the lines will be the ones that have the color in it. So let's just do this, generate code. And now you see it's the opposite. Okay. The lines actually have it. Either way, it works out fine. So I can take a picture, snap it, and they will get it regardless. All right. So again, this is how you create a QR code in Canva. Again, if you are interested and you want IG business cards, which you can print out through Canva, you can take it to Vistaprint. You can take it wherever you want to, make it nice and glossy and pass it out. Then just simply shoot me a message or click the link that I'll have available soon. I'll make sure that I post it for you guys to purchase yourself. But that is how you create a Canva code, a QR code in Canva. And if you need some personal help, just shoot me a message and I will assist. So have a good day.